up, you guys? It's Kat. Welcome or welcome back. I'm so excited for today. There's so many reasons. But one of the biggest reasons is that I don't know if y'all can tell from like this angle that we got going on, but I got my camera back. If you remember from this video, my camera tipped over, the lens cracked. It was this whole thing. I waited longer than I should have to send it to Canon. Thankfully, I had the the insurance, so I was able to get it completely fixed for completely free. It was an incredible experience. So if you have a Canon camera, I recommend getting the insurance because you never know what's going to happen. Thankfully, I still had my Canon G7X that I used to use, so we were still able to film videos on that camera. But I'm just so darn excited to have the wide lens back, and we have my mic back. You can't see I'm pointing to it, but you can see. So that's number one reason why I'm so excited for today's video. So today's video was originally going to be just like a kind of tidy up and summer refresh with me, but last night, due to a lot of reasons that I'll explain kind of like in voiceover and stuff while we're cleaning, it became a lot messier than I kind of anticipated. It's like, I don't know, if we had filmed this yesterday, it would not have been this messy, but I mean, the kitchen actually isn't that bad. Like you can see, there's clean dishes in here, dirty dishes, and some things to put away. But the living room is a disaster. I have so much darn laundry to do. We have the bedroom to clean. And then if you remember from my last video, I showed y'all that cabinet that Tim installed in the laundry room, and I got like a pretty patterned contact paper. Oh, that scared me. Tim texted me. And I got like a pretty colored contact paper, so we're gonna put that on to try and like make the laundry room look even cuter. So we have a lot of things to do, but we are also going to still be doing a summer refresh, which I'm so excited. I thought about doing like a summer decorating video, but I don't think I'm switching up my decor enough to make a whole video around it, so I kind of wanted to include it in here. But once we clean up, we're going to be taking like all these bunnies that I got up here. Actually, this one I may keep just because I love it so much. This one's definitely like a spring decor piece. All these eggs, I have eggs here. I've got some more in the living room. All of the pink we're going to be removing, and we're going for a yellow and blue. Those are like the pops of color amongst all my neutrals that I have. So I'm so darn excited, and lots of greenery. All of that is going to be in today's video. I'm so excited. I don't know if I have anything else to say. All right, and I think that's really all that I have to say. So I'm gonna stop rambling and let's get into the cleaning. I just realized I've been wearing these glasses on my head for like the past, I don't know, probably 30 minutes. Right before I filmed this intro, we actually cleaned the living room. So I hadn't, and you'll see in a clip there that I ended up putting these on my head, and I've been wearing them for like a large portion of the video. That's funny, I'm gonna take them off now. All right, now let's backtrack to when I clean the living room, because right now in this exact moment for me, I'm gonna clean the kitchen. So you're probably curious why there are two TVs, and I have an explanation for you. So the other night, Tim and I went to watch TV. We turned it on, and we noticed this crack. It was literally almost looked like somebody threw a penny at it, and it was like little like lines that all cracked out from the center. We were both stunned. We're like, how the heck did this happen? But it all worked out because we ended up getting a new TV, and we ended up upgrading to a 65-inch. We had a 55-inch, and we were looking. This was at like 9 o'clock at night. We were looking online, and we found Walmart had a deal for you get a 65-inch Roku TV, which is the same one that we had, but just a bigger one for $400. And we were like, you know what? Let's just do it. So we called, and we were like, is it in stock? And we waited a while, and then finally they were like, yes, we have it. So we just went and we picked it up that night. And since we just got it, we didn't want to get rid of the box just yet, but obviously we don't have the most storage in the world, so I didn't really know where to put it, so I just put it up against this big wall back there. And then, in a week or so, assuming the TV doesn't have any problems, we'll get rid of that, or we'll recycle the box. And note here, as I talked about in the intro, this is me putting those glasses on my head that then I totally forgot were even there. But here I am moving my chair back. Lately, I've been really loving working facing this big window, especially it's been so nice out that I'll open up the screen door. Callie will be out there lying on the patio. I get the breeze, and it's just so nice. And so I was doing that the day before this, which was Friday. So I had to move the chair back, and I took that little ottoman back into my office. All right. Ooh, baby, just hold tight. We're up at the moonlight, believe in the magic. On side, we'll make it feel
feel just right. Just look at that bright light. Believe in the magic, and it can save you from your past. This bond is always gonna last. When nothing else makes sense, just dance.
And then moving on to the bedroom, clearly as you can see, this room was really not that messy at all. I just had some clothes to put away, my purse was there, and that was pretty much it. And here you see I'm also filming for TikTok. This video is already live on my TikTok. I'm curious, let me know if you watch my TikToks, or did you find my YouTube channel through my TikToks? I'm curious, let me know. YouTube will always be my favorite platform, at least I imagine it will, because I love it so much. I love the longer form content where I feel like I can get more, you know, personal with y'all. There's something that I just love about making the longer form, more personal content here on YouTube, but I have been absolutely loving TikTok. I find it so much fun. I find it like a challenge to make engaging, fun videos, like super short. So let me know. I'm curious if you also watch me on TikTok. I've been having so much fun over there.
I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes city dancing through the night, but I'm not there. You've got me soaring in the clouds, and as the ocean is surrounding me, baby, I'm sure we lost track of
If you like fake nails and you want to get custom ones done, I highly recommend my friend Zoe. Like, look how pretty these are. They're so gorgeous. She did such an incredible job, and she's done so many like incredible patterns. So I wanted to say that. But anyways, I think I'm gonna go eat some lunch because I'm really hungry. This veggie, this is like, I made this veggie couscous bowl earlier this week, and these are leftovers. Oh my gosh, let me know if you do want a recipe. It's like Italian couscous, zucchini, tomatoes, chickpeas, scallion. It's so darn good. I got it in one of my HelloFresh boxes like a year ago or something. Maybe even 2 years ago, and ever since it's become like my go-to meal for dinner or lunch. So maybe in an upcoming video, maybe like in a night routine, I'll share with y'all exactly how I make it. Let me know if you'd want to see that. Shopping time. We headed over to Michael's because there were a few types of greenery picks that I knew I needed. I wanted some new eucalyptus, which I found an incredible one. And then this taller greenery that I'm looking at is for the big like floor vase that I have that you'll see me put it in later. And then I also wanted some flowers. So I got these little white flowers with greenery, which ends up being so cute where I put them. Taking earlier today's room temperature coffee and making it iced. What's up, guys? I don't know why I said that as if this is like the beginning of the video. This is the middle. Today is the next day, and today I'm so darn excited. We are actually going to decorate for summer. I have a handful of stuff over here on the dining room table, which I'll show y'all in a sec. This is not gonna be like as intense as my fall, or definitely not Christmas decorate with me, and honestly not even like as different as the spring one. However, I do have a handful of little things that I wanna kind of switch out, update, change, and I'm really excited. These are like easy little ways to decorate and like kind of spice up your home for summer, refresh it for summer. Okay, let me show you what we're working with. So here's a handful of the stuff that I know I want to use. Some of this, like this greenery, this right here, and these are all brand new. And then this bowl I actually got from TJ Maxx yesterday. It was $7.99. I think this is such a beautiful bowl. So I think we may put some lemons in there. And then I have these that my mom got me for my birthday. I love this giant yellow candle, which I'm so excited about. This is the other vase that I got from Kohl's. This is from a FabFitFun box. FabFitFun box. TJ Maxx. I think my sister got this for me actually. And this right here, my mom also got me for my birthday. I think this is so pretty. I want to use this as a centerpiece with maybe like some apples or, oh, why not focused? Today, my shorts are Levi's. I got them off of Amazon. I like them. They're not like my absolute favorite. I feel like they are a little short, but you know, I feel like I'd like them so much longer if they were a little bit longer. I feel like I'd like them so much more if they were a little longer, but they are cute. They're Levi's from Amazon. T-shirt is from TJ Maxx and slippers are from TJ Maxx. Anyways, now that we've done the outfit, we are going to start taking down all of my spring decor so that we can change it up with summer decor. We have a new blanket and pillowcases for the couch too, but I hate like at this time of day, there's just the giant glare from the sunlight. You can like barely even see Callie. You suntanning on the couch. So we'll probably wait to do that. And to be honest, I don't think we're gonna switch up the bedroom at all. I'll show you all that in case like you haven't seen a little bit or if you're new, but I'm pretty sure the decor that I have in there, I'm gonna leave. I love how I decorated that, and it's pretty neutral what I did for spring. So I think we're just gonna leave that, but it's gonna be the living room, the dining room, and the kitchen. Alrighty, first things first, I'm using a wood polishing spray to polish off the top of the wine chest just so that it's extra clean and shiny for when we put the decor on it. Now, these two vases I knew I wanted to use, as well as these two books. I found that having like a staple that you keep and then you can switch out the florals or the little decor piece that you put on top is really helpful. So both of those vases are from Kohl's. Both of the eucalyptus stems that I got are from Michael's, and then I have two books. One is from TJ Maxx, one is the Daily Stoic, and here you can see I'm kind of playing around with what decor to put on top of it. One of my favorite ways to decorate for any season is filling a bowl with something for that season. So for summertime, we put some faux lemons in there, faux fake lemons, whatever. And I'm so happy with how this turned out. And then I wasn't sure if I wanted to keep those white flowers, but I decided to switch them out to something a little more summery. I got these greenery picks from Michael's, and then that sunflower plant my mom gave me for my birthday, and I love the pop of color that like brings into the TV stand. If you have a coffee table, you have to have a little basket. I feel like they're so convenient because you can put a little remote in there if you have one or whatever you need, but it's also such a cute and easy way to keep your decor in one place so it's not taking up space on the coffee table itself, but it still looks really cute. So moving on to this little side table, I played around with this one a lot, and honestly I ended up redecorating it after I filmed because I didn't like how it was, so I'll show you in a minute like what I actually ended up using. But that's just kind of how decorating goes. You play around with it. I switch things up. I guarantee you in a few weeks I'm going to change something else. Another thing that does not stay the way that I share it in this video is the TV or the table. I was so excited to switch those little white plates out for my lemon ones because these are like, I love them so darn much. I got them from Pfirrman Imports last summer. The store near me was closing down, so I got them for like a really good price. I don't remember what it was, but I just know that I'm mad at myself for not getting 6. I only got 4 and I should have gotten 6, for the future if we have a table with 6 chairs, but that's okay. And this centerpiece I end up totally changing as well, so I'll share that in like later in the video. Moving on to the kitchen, I was so darn excited to decorate these shelves. I got them off of Amazon if you're curious. We installed them last fall, so I hadn't decorated them for summer yet. So I kept like kind of the same outline. That greenery in the bottom left I kept there, and then you'll see I end up putting the bunny back, but I did switch out the like in that tin can on the top left for some bright yellow flowers. I took a jar, filled it with some fake lemons and limes, and then I put like a pretty cutting board on the back of there too to bring in some more warmth. I love how that turned out. But now moving on to the living room. First, I removed the pink blanket because I knew we were not doing pink in the living room for the summertime. And this is something that we are doing. If you follow me on TikTok, you've already like seen this whole pillowcase situation. Basically, I got these blue pillowcases because I originally wanted to decorate with the color scheme of blue and yellow and green, like a bunch of greenery and then blue and yellow. I did not really incorporate any other blue anywhere else in the living room or the kitchen, so it just did not really work. I just feel like, one, the solid blue pillowcases don't work. Like maybe if I had more of like a pattern pillowcase, that would look nice, but you'll see in a second what I ended up changing it to. So this is a little behind the scenes reality. Friday morning, I woke up super motivated. I had my coffee. I was all excited to film and to put this contact paper on these shelves in the laundry room. It did not go as planned. I know it probably looks like, why didn't you just stick it down? But I couldn't get it to stay flat, or like to, how do I explain this? Like it didn't line up. I would start it lined up at the top, and then anytime I rolled it down, it just kept like being a little bit off. And I was starting to drive myself crazy. I didn't have that much time before I had to start work. So I ended up just scrapping it, and I ended up reordering it. It was only $6 for all of the contact paper that I need. So I reordered it, and then Tim's going to help me install it next time. So I am very excited to still do that because I love the look. It was just not working. Hello! Today is Friday, about a week after I initially filmed this video this past weekend, and I wanted to share with y'all like kind of the current finished decor that I have going on. Okay, so as y'all saw, we no longer have the blue pillow covers. There's one there and one there. I went back to the beige like plaid ones, which I really, really like. And I do feel like the couch could use another yellow pillow, like maybe if that was yellow patterned, but I feel like for right now, I don't really want to spend more money, to be honest. I think this looks nice. This blanket my mom got me for my birthday a couple years ago. I think it's from TJ Maxx, and I feel like it just ties in the yellow perfectly. And then I don't know what I love so much about this, but I think that looks so pretty. I also updated this. I ended up taking this basket from one of my FabFitFun boxes, and I kept the picture of Tim and I, which I love. That was from our 6-year anniversary. And then this little plant that my sister gave me. So I thought that was cute. TV is the same, fun tripod light. Oh, focus. I still can't get over the TV. It's so much bigger. I love it. And then we have me. Outfit, TJ Maxx, my mom's closet, TJ Maxx. This I am just obsessed with. I feel like I struggled so long to figure out how I wanted to decorate it, and I just think it looks so nice. I love, love, love these, like this bowl with the lemons. And this book is The New Southern Style. I bought it from TJ Maxx, and then the Daily Stoic. Okay, and then in the dining room, we still have the TV box there. That chair's in the office right now. I was using it for something else. But this is how I kind of updated the little centerpiece. Very simple, but I think it's really pretty. I kept this, which is from TJ Maxx. Or from Amazon. It's on my Amazon storefront. This Tim's mom gave us, and then I put some eucalyptus stems from Michael's in there, and then some fake lemons, which match with the lemon plates, which are from Pfirrman Imports, like I said. I absolutely love how this looks. I think that turned out so nice. So I'm very happy with that. And then honestly, for the bedroom, my plan is just to keep it exactly as is. Like, I love the way that I decorated for spring. So I don't really think I'm going to be switching this out at all. I do realize that this is like really uneven, so I have to recenter it. The one that it was on fell, and so I just stuck it on the nail that was already there, but that's obviously not centered. Clearly, I have a lot of laundry to fold. I think that's actually what I'm gonna do right now. I think my current plan is to go fold all of this laundry and then pack for Vermont because Tim should be home pretty soon. I feel like I've been doing a lot of Clean With Me vlogs, which I love them, and I'm gonna keep doing them because I know y'all like them and I really enjoyed them. And I feel like the good thing about the Clean With Me vlogs is it's like I can incorporate more of my day, and it like gets more personal and stuff than literally just cleaning. But if there are other types of videos that y'all want to see or any other video requests, let me know in the comments for like the summertime. I would love to do some. Definitely I'll be doing like morning routines, night routines, that sort of thing. But if there's anything else you want to see, let me know. If you watched till this part, comment laundry, just the word laundry, because I have so much laundry to do. I love you all so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.